Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. You guys are the best. Today we're tackling a topic that's been requested a ton in my comments: laser hair removal. I've seen so many of you asking about this, and I thought it was high time we dive into it. Whether you're tired of shaving, fed up with waxing, or just curious about what laser hair removal entails, this video is for you. Now I get it. Dealing with unwanted hair can be a real pain, literally and figuratively. Shaving can be time-consuming and often leads to nicks and cuts. Waxing, on the other hand, can be quite painful and might leave your skin irritated. And let's not even talk about the ingrown hairs. So, is laser hair removal the miracle solution it's often hyped up to be? Many people swear by it, claiming it's the best thing they've ever done for their skin. But, as with any treatment, it's important to know all the facts before jumping in. Well, like most things in medicine, it's not that simple. There are pros and cons to consider, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's crucial to have a thorough understanding of the procedure, its benefits, and its potential drawbacks. We're going to break down exactly how this procedure works, the good, the bad, and everything in between. From the science behind the laser technology to the step-by-step process of a typical session, I'll cover it all. We'll also discuss the expected results and how many sessions you might need. That way you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. It's all about finding what works best for your body and your lifestyle. I'll also share some personal experiences and stories from others who have undergone the treatment. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'll be sharing some important safety tips you need to know. These tips will help you get the best results and avoid any potential side effects. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say laser hair removal? Basically, it's a procedure that uses a concentrated beam of light, that's the laser part, to target hair follicles. Now, these follicles are like little pockets in your skin where hair grows from. The laser emits heat, and this heat damages the follicle, which prevents or reduces future hair growth. Pretty cool, right? But before you run out and book your first appointment, there are a few things you need to know. Alright, let's get a little more technical about how this whole laser thing actually works. The key player here is melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives our skin and hair its color. The laser we use in this procedure is attracted to melanin. Think of it like a magnet drawn to metal, but in this case, it's light drawn to pigment. When the laser is directed at your skin, that melanin in your hair follicles absorbs the light energy. This energy is then converted into heat. And it's this heat that does the magic, or should I say the science, of damaging those hair follicles. Let's be real, one of the biggest reasons people consider laser hair removal is to ditch the razors, the waxing appointments, and the endless cycle of hair removal. And you know what? It can actually deliver on that promise. Laser hair removal isn't always permanent, but it can significantly reduce hair growth over time. We're talking about potentially saying goodbye to those pesky hairs for a very long time. Now, the exact number of sessions you'll need varies from person to person, but many people see a noticeable difference after just a few treatments. Chapter 4. Precision is key targeting the source. One of the things that makes laser hair removal so effective is its precision. The technology behind it allows for a highly targeted approach, focusing on individual hair follicles without affecting the surrounding skin. This is a game changer for those who have struggled with other hair removal methods that often irritate the skin or miss spots. Unlike other hair removal methods that take a broader approach, I'm looking at you, shaving lasers can zero in on specific hairs. Shaving, for instance, cuts the hair at the surface level, which means it grows back quickly and often thicker. Waxing, on the other hand, can be painful and may not always remove the hair from the root. But with laser hair removal, the laser energy is absorbed by the pigment in the hair, effectively destroying the hair follicle. This is especially beneficial if you have dark, coarse hair that stands out against your skin tone. Darker hair absorbs more laser energy, making the treatment more effective. This is why people with dark hair and lighter skin often see the best results. However, advancements in technology have made it possible for people with various skin tones and hair colors to benefit from laser hair removal. The laser is attracted to that contrast so it can target those hairs while leaving the surrounding skin relatively unharmed. This selective targeting minimizes the risk of skin damage, making the procedure safer and more comfortable. It's a precise science that requires skilled technicians to adjust the laser settings according to your specific skin and hair type. This precision is what makes laser hair removal a good option for treating unwanted hair on various parts of the body. Whether it's your face, underarms, back, or bikini line, the laser can be adjusted to treat different areas effectively. Each session is tailored to your needs, ensuring that you get the best possible results. From your face to your legs to your bikini line, laser hair removal offers a versatile solution. It's not just about removing hair, it's about doing so in a way that respects your skin and provides long-lasting results. Imagine not having to worry about shaving or waxing for weeks, even months. That's the promise of laser hair removal, a smoother, more confident you. Chapter 5. Quick and mostly painless. Speeding through hair removal. In a world that's constantly moving at warp speed, who has time for time-consuming hair removal routines? Well, one of the advantages of laser hair removal is that it's relatively quick. Each pulse of the laser takes just a fraction of a second, and it can treat multiple hairs simultaneously. This means that even larger areas like your legs or back can be treated in a reasonable amount of time. Now don't get me wrong, it's not like you'll be in and out of the clinic faster than you can say laser, but compared to some other methods, it's definitely a time saver. Chapter 6. Not always smooth sailing skin irritation. Okay, so we've talked about the good stuff, but it's time to address the elephant in the room. The potential downsides. Like any medical procedure, laser hair removal comes with its share of risks and side effects. One of the most common ones is skin irritation. Don't worry, it's usually temporary, but you might experience some redness, swelling, or tenderness in the treated area after your session. Think of it like a mild sunburn. It's your skin's way of saying, hey, I just went through something. But the good news is that these side effects typically subside within a few hours or days. Another potential side effect of laser hair removal is pigment changes. This means that the treated area might become slightly lighter or darker than the surrounding skin. It's more common in people with darker skin tones because they have more melanin, which, as we learned earlier, is what the laser targets. Now, in most cases, these pigment changes are temporary, but it's important to be aware of this risk before you undergo the procedure. Let's talk about burns, because, let's face it, nobody wants to end up with a burn mark after a cosmetic procedure. The truth is, while rare, burns are a potential risk with laser hair removal. This usually happens if the laser is used improperly, or if the settings are too high for your skin type. That's why it's absolutely crucial to choose a qualified and experienced practitioner who knows what they're doing. Remember, this is your skin we're talking about, so don't be afraid to ask about your practitioner's credentials and experience before you commit to anything. We're talking about lasers here, people. And as cool and futuristic as lasers sound, they can be dangerous to your eyes. That's why it's non-negotiable to wear protective eyewear during laser hair removal. Both you and the practitioner should have those goggles on at all times during the procedure. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. It's a simple safety measure that can prevent serious injury. So, we've covered a lot of ground today about laser hair removal. We've talked about how it works, the potential benefits, and the risks involved. Now, the million-dollar question is it right for you? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your individual needs, your skin type, your hair color, your pain tolerance, and your budget. If you're considering laser hair removal, I highly recommend scheduling a consultation with a qualified dermatologist or licensed professional. They can assess your skin, discuss your goals, and determine if laser hair removal is a suitable option for you. That's it for today's video on laser hair removal. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of how the procedure works to the potential benefits and risks involved. Whether you're considering laser hair removal for the first time or you're just curious about the process, I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding both the pros and cons of this increasingly popular procedure. It's always important to do your research and consult with professionals before making any decisions about your health and beauty routines. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health and well-being. The more informed you are, the better choices you can make for yourself. So take the time to learn and understand all aspects of any treatment you're considering. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. We have a lot more content coming your way, covering a wide range of topics related to health, beauty, and wellness. And be sure to share your thoughts, questions, and experiences with laser hair removal in the comments below. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps us create content that's tailored to your interests and needs. Until next time, stay healthy and informed. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more informative and engaging videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and continue to provide high-quality content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences to share. We love hearing from our viewers and engaging in meaningful discussions. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Take care and have a wonderful day.